In this video, I want to test another trading strategy. The strategy is if price breaks yesterday's highest price and be rejected and it forms a low, a high, and a lower point under the previous day's high, we open a sell position at this high point. If price breaks yesterday's lowest price and be rejected and it forms a high, a low, and a higher point above the previous day's low, we open a buy position at this low point. Hey everyone, I'm Sepide. I'm a programmer with a passion for trading. I'm here to test different strategies for Forex, crypto, and the stock market. Together we'll figure out what works, what doesn't, and hopefully discover a reliable strategy for our trading. In each video, I'll create an expert advisor for a strategy and test it using data from the past years. If you find these videos helpful, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out. Now I will test the strategy for the past years using Expert Advisor so we can see how it did perform in the past years. You can see price went below yesterday's low and rejected and creates a uptrend here and placed a buy limit at this low. Here we can see the price went below yesterday's low and rejected and create a uptrend here. So it placed a buy limit here. It closed the position because I put after the limit orders it went above or below 300 points, it deletes that order. Here again price went above yesterday's high and rejected and created a downtrend here, and so it placed a sell limit at this high level. It had 100 for Euro 2023, I'll test it for other time frames. Had 7% for M15 and 75% for M30, so 5 minute was the best. I'll test it for 2022, 2% for 2022, I'll test it for 2021, 66% loss for 2021, so it just worked for 2023. Now I changed the code, so when it detects the uptrend or downtrend, in that moment it opened a position. It won't place limit order. So you can see when price went back to yesterday's price. Here it goes down and rejected and creates a high and low and higher points. And in the previous version, it would place a buy limit in this low level. But here it detected a uptrend, and just in that moment it opened a buy position. Here again price created a downtrend here, and it opened a sell position at that moment. It had 21% loss, so the limit orders was doing better. I'll test it for M15. It had 34% profit. I'll test it for 2022 and 15. So for 2022 it didn't work. I'll test M30. It didn't work too. Now I added hours to the expert, so it will open in just specific hours. That is the first hours after sessions are started. So it didn't work too. Now I changed the code to open buy position instead of low at the high above yesterday's low, and instead of opening sell at the high under yesterday's high, it will open sell at the low under the yesterday's high. Here we can see price went above yesterday's high and rejected here and created a downtrend, but it opened a sell in the low level and instead of this high level. Here again price rejected and created a downtrend. Here it opened a sell position, but price went back above and the stop loss was triggered. It had 65% loss because of our M15. It had 55% profit for M15. Now this is for 2022. That minus 50 for 2022. So this strategy also didn't work. I'll put a part of the backtest so you can see how does it exactly work and the positions. So if you're interested, you can watch till then. Thanks for watching.